What? No man, slime. That one you see-through. You don't have to wear no jaws, no G-string. You see-through. Hey, the see-through. The see-through chat. You see me? That one you don't have to wear no jaws, no underpants. See like all slime now, when slime I go dress up for Jaden, you can wear one of them. You can buy one for when you go over Jaden yard. Slime, you can buy one of them if you go over Jaden yard. You know? Yeah man. You can buy one of them if you go over Jaden. No problem.
No, when you take off that, put it in.
Me know then, girl. Why your problem? Where you come out to do? Me a sell. Where you coming on my stream condo? Eh? Where you coming on my stream condo? You help me sell or you not help me sell? Me not understand you. I dare come help me sell or you go about your business. No? Slime me over here, wire me out. Like you want me sell him so to go weird over Jaden. You see me? Then are the jeans pants them shot. Where you go? Around there? Now go with me now.
Let me do it here.
Me I sell goods.
Just slowly put my hand, put it over there, so.
Me I sell goods. No, people will buy them when they want.
Good for you.
Yeah, people are broke, you know. They buy them when they're cheap.
Good.
Then we ask if you have no display goods. And then we sell, then we buy. Yeah man, we gone man. I sell body at the price of 2,000 US. You want body for buy? I sell body. Cheap. I like your jeans pants shot. See? Like your jeans. Like your jeans. You're nice though. You just get a tool on that. Hold on. Man, look.
You sure you're not going to try to give me?
Ali, look around and take a see the car key. I'm looking at my pants. I'm not here. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, make a little look. I just get a tool on from the father. Me give me. Me know are you give me a weed? Me get the key.
Lock.
Redance, what do you? Go take it off. Me have to run. Redance, go take it off.
You like it?
Why you have on that?
Me I sell my goods them. What you mean by take off it?
Since when you sell?
Me have lingerie I sell long time and nobody not support the girl.
So not only are they selling what you have on it, they do.
Because it's me and our business, we just name it Alia Fashion because if you know if you put red and spanny, go suck your mama no slime and go add your big hair boy. Me this ain't a dog. I told me know you for a long time from Waterhouse in the body boy. Me no this ain't. Come off I live and see me talk to Bob.
Why champion Brie I redance but me up so late. Me did have to reach up.
Like body boy.
Jesus Christ.
Go shake your body for him. My agent in a body boy no man. Buy when I see through them and yarn him go shake ass over them man. Bum buck that and go man.
So how much should I one day?
The mesh?
Yeah.
Cheap $15. And if you have $10, me take it.
Alright, me buy that one day. Take off that one day. More that one if you buy.
Why me ever get the one that me wear? Stop that not triple F. Me have goods triple. Each of them me have 50 of each goods.
But I want where you have on me want to buy. Take off that one day. You can't me a buy, because when me say me a buy, you know. So tell me if you send the money.
You don't know if you send the money, I send them.
Me bumbo clot. Jesus Christ. Alright, sell me that one day too.
Me have a pin on that too.
How much is that one day? All right. How much is one where you have on underneath? Tell me that one day too. Take me. I buy that one day too.
This have
So take.
this have 15 too. Me tell them me not nothing expensive.
All right. Me I buy that one day too. Take off that one day. Me I buy that one day too.
Me have a pants I sell to you know.
Jesus Christ.
Me I sell them pants in a phone size. Me have 3 different sizes. Me have small, medium, and extra large.
So 2:30 at 1:30 down there. 1:30 in the morning you decide to
yeah, I don't
tell
the England people them. Yes, them buy things.
All right, yeah. So I want in 2 days.
So you want 2? That are $30.
All right, just message me at table for send the money.
Yeah, man, me run here. You see, cause they say me nah no content. Me run here sell everything, man. Remember, yeah, me have the shorts, me have the jeans them now. Me have the one them with straight foot like this, and me have the one them with bell foot. We have
all right, yeah. Sell the jeans them. Try the jeans them. The matter sell no more.
A 4,500 now $30 US for this, you know. 30.
Yeah, me no want no jeans. I lingerie. No, but
yeah, me have everything I sell. Triple stuff. Follow me up, no man. Yeah, I'm sorry to lie down in a bed. Me can allow me alone.
football clad. That's big.
Yeah, so
listen to me. You take off your lingerie, me I can go if you know.
Me I put on my lingerie, them me not done it. That's just one out of few what me have.
Jesus Christ, somebody put on.
I choose that one I look like it too. Girl, the thing, but me have to wear them triple. If me not wear them, me not go sell.
Jesus Christ.
Me wear it, if me wear it, 3 o'clock in the morning, I go look nice. So me have to wear it.
But you pull out all I stock.
Me have whole heap of goods. Each goods are 50 of them me have. Me have to show the people me goods them and everything because Ali never have enough time for too much goods we have. There's a lot.
Oh my God.
A lot, triple. Lot, me love. Put on that one and now make gonna see it. Cause
you know if you put on it, we get the idea from we see box.
No, me have to keep it crowd on there. Where me I go beg and make look money different. The triple. Love me alone, man. Me beg him.
Can't even fit you.
You see, I candy run here. It don't fit me triple if it can't fight. If it can't fit Rose, it must can't fit me.
You see Rose where them are sitting here?
And that me want she buy 2 for me if you got the dancing blood clot Akeem up there. I mean I know what she
and that's with your blood clot lily and red and mix up.
No, me a rep for Rose for with you. Me can't chat to Rose.
Anybody else see red so they always mix up.
Me can't chat. Me I tell you say some nice things me have. Triple and on a fuckery me have. Some nice one for your man.
Where Ali are there?
Then I house, she not sell the goods, and me have to wear them for themselves. Me I tell you, hot. Triple, watch ya. But you out a door.
And I'm secure.
I'm gonna sell something tonight, Triple. Wait, come on. Don't come, bro. Me don't want nobody around it. You hear me, I say no? You see, all I'm gonna wear why me out, go suck out to no matter. Me I no friend. Me I no run your friend. When I say me I sell my goods, pussy, when I say nothing to me. Make Triple talk.
Jesus.
Right under your body in a Triple. That's what me now the body for show ya. Why? Jesus, Triple, how nice. How nice, Triple.
Jesus Christ.
That one you know. I'll $12 for this, you know? $12, Triple.
Yes, all right. You were a good price and everything. We get the picture. Take it, all right. Take it off now. $12, good price. Take it off.
Guys, no, for me, because Triple alone can buy 2 little goods. Me have nearly 6,000 units of goods. Triple, you don't believe me? Look at. And this is 1 box. And me have 4 more boxes in the house. I have 4 more boxes in the house, Triple. Me need to sell my goods then. So tomorrow then we get some screen recording and get some traction, you know?
Jesus, peace.
Out here chat hot. I choose my woman too sexy. She come on and then she restrict me life. I like it.
Let's come on, we are going to go with bed.
Alright, Chipo, go and go your bed. Remember
no, you come on too, come on.
No, me just come off a road. Police stop me and it cost me 20,000. Me I look back my money, chipper.
You did a drink.
Chipper, me get police stop me. I mean on a license. I mean I have to give them $20,000. And that me make for a week, chipper. Me run here and try sell me goods and fi make up about my rent money. I tell it I 30 other month me have to come out to people in place. I 3 months then give me notice now. 3 months up. You understand me I say? Me just a come from a road. And me come here and me tell myself say me I go sell my goods them. A morning me we get 115 or 125 order. Make 1 3 or 1 400 US. Yeah? Yeah. So me have
You
to
come too late. You have to sell them something the night day.
a morning is
And make Ali and Mago them.
listen to me now, man. It's been 3 months now since we buy them goods. Yeah. Why did not buy them? I told somebody buy for away. Because Ali I just wear them and then work out. So me I wear them now so they can get traction. You understand what I say? They need to get traction. We can't spend so much money on goods and then sell. Bad mind people around there. We have to do something. You see me? Me run here. Right now, me I go put on 2 jars of money put on my head. I thought, what the fuck? I'm not even wait till the morning.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, Triple, me have 2 sexy jars in the grass. Ah, Triple. Me know you don't like it.
Jesus Christ.
For your body big. For your backside big, you know. Then I sit near you that love. Hold on, me set out it good for your girl. My jars are hot, you know. You see?
What a blood clot this.
Hot in a Triple.
Tell the people them say I look for your car key.
No, man, you have to run a room, man. If you're not
Run away.
if you're in a house, you have to in a house, because I just carry down the island.
Your father I tell her to take it off.
You looking at me, Sean?
Bobo clot, your father say if you can see him. Your father they don't say catch it on the camera. We see already, sir.
Yeah, my father that in this are going easy, but
You know but have to hide again, we see you.
me I sell my goods, you know, me go father and a father making one money, me I sell my goods, you know. Triple, where you say I go away?
Yes, come on.
Me look good, though.
Yes, take it off now.
Alright, later. Yeah, Triple, go on to your bed.
Later.
Alright, mama, later. Me not take off no goods. A man in for me take off them. Believe me to God. She a looking at father. She a looking at pants. But me know say me come down with the key. I say happy there. But me hand the key to you and you give me weed when you go in the kitchen. And me just come up a while ago and answer. If you know they say they in my shots.
I feel
in my shots. You can't know. Me just come up.
Me not teach her, only you.
In a day and night. So check on something like that. Check on from me. Give a key a while ago. They whistling something for him. They blue whistling for him.
I'm gonna check everything.
Me I go check in the house, man. Me I go search. Don't worry. Me got it. Yeah, me do shipping. Me ship to man. PS Love. Me ship to. Me ship anywhere in the world today. Anyway. Everywhere in the world today. What do you mean by how my brown and my father black and my mother brown? My mother brown. I'm get my mother complexion. This $15. I me give for 12. Me give for $12. Yeah, put gift man, but try on something else, man. Don't tell me alone. Alright, this is one I'm supposed to, black alone. I may have them in a multiple color. That are the mesh one I may have on before. Other one. I have this in a multiple color too. I have this in a green, and I think I may have in our next color as well. Most of them are in a black. Most of them are in a black. You see me? The pussy cloth, him a go on with me, I sell pussy. Yeah, buy? Me I sell pussy. Cheap price. 300 US. You understand? I sell pussy, man. Pussy promotion. Good pussy me I sell to untouched pussy. Well tight and grip up. Guys, me have so much goods. See my pussy here, man? You know see it? See my pussy here? You know see it? Yeah. I'm my pussy that. Balance, big up yourself. You know see my pussy a while ago? Now what heap of goods. You need to buy some mannequin. Me have the mannequin, man. I want you. Talk about mannequin for this play. Me come. Sorry. Let me jog on that shit. I wish pussy would ask me if me have money kid and all that. Well, now if it's spam F1, if me lose the page, that's how you go. Me no business. You go. Me not get no support on TikTok. The fuck on spam F1. Red hands go suck your mama red hands. Kinda F1 no man. I'm sure no I look now. See? I like it. I like it. I like it. True. So, camera na. Pumunta mo na. People mo na like it. Price 20 lang. 20 US feet. 20 lang. Tapos inbox mo. Kasi US.